AC compressor clutch not engaging causes and diagnoses. If your AC compressor clutch is not engaging, it could result from other faulty parts. However, power is sent to the magnetic coil of the AC compressor clutch when the vehicle's AC system is required to start up. The clutch of an AC compressor transfers all of the rotational force generated by an engine's serpentine belt to the compressor's drive shaft when it is in the on or engaged state. So let's learn the most common reasons why the AC compressor clutch doesn't engage. 1. Incorrect amount of refrigerant. The proper amount of refrigerant is required for the air conditioning system to function. However, the issue could be brought on by either too little or too much refrigerant. The modern system utilizes an AC pressure switch lockout mechanism to protect the valuable components if the refrigerant level isn't correct. However, the power provided to the AC compressor clutch will be cut off, and the clutch will not engage if the pressure in the AC system is too high or too low on either the low pressure side or the high pressure side. 2. Damaged or worn clutch. The AC compressor clutch has worn out, just like any other clutch, and needs to be replaced. Older cars or those that have overused their air conditioning system are more likely to experience this issue. When the clutch is newer, it won't typically wear out. The clutch might not engage if the clutch plate is worn out. However, it might occasionally slip, causing operations to be irregular. 3. Failed high or low AC pressure switch. Another thing that could be the reason behind your AC compressor clutch not engaging is a failed high or low AC pressure switch. The AC system has two AC pressure switches, one on the high pressure side and one on the low pressure side. These switches regulate the pressure to prevent it from going too high or too low. Even if the pressure is correct, a malfunctioning sensor may send the wrong signal to the AC compressor clutch and cause it to shut down. 4. Bad electrical connection. The electrical connections and wiring in your car's AC system are many. The clutch could stop functioning if there is an issue with any of them. The 12V power wire to the AC clutch is the most crucial connection. If the wire is corroded or damaged in any way, the clutch won't engage. If you have found this video informative so far, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and let's continue with the video. 5. Blown fuse. AC compressor clutch not engaging can also be a result of a blown fuse. The compressor may get too much voltage if there is an electrical fault in the AC system. The fuse will blow as a result of this operation. It is better for the fuse to blow than for the system to receive too much voltage. If it occurred, the pricey AC components might suffer significant damage. The fuse for the AC clutch can be found by checking your owner's manual. 2. The faulty or leaking evaporator coil. The evaporator coil is a component of the car's air conditioning system that aids in airflow to cool the vehicle. Thus, if the coil is faulty or leaking, it could result in the AC compressor clutch not engaging. When the heat and air conditioning are turned on, a hissing sound or bad odor indicates that the evaporator coil is faulty or leaking. The clutch will not engage as a result. You might need to swap out the evaporator coil to resolve the problem. But keep in mind that replacing something costs a lot of money. How to diagnose why the AC compressor clutch isn't engaging. You should turn the AC settings in your car up to see if your AC clutch is functioning. Then, turn on the engine and look under the hood to see the air conditioner compressor. The pulley and AC clutch spinning show that everything is in order. There is a problem with the system if all that spins is the pulley. However, one of the causes listed above could be the culprit. Check the condition of the belt covering the pulley on the compressor. If the belt is slipping or worn, it needs to be adjusted or replaced. Examine the area around the clutch plate for signs of rust. If you find any, the compressor may simply need to be replaced because it is old, worn out, and broken. Check the wiring to the clutch because improperly connected wires could affect how the compressor operates. To supply enough power, the wire must be connected and in good shape. Your AC compressor's fuses can be found in the fuse box. A fuse that is blown can be quickly replaced. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.